What if your next drone could capture literally everything around you all at once without you ever touching a controller? Imagine tossing a tiny device into the air, walking away, and letting it build an entire three-dimensional world around your movement. No framing mistakes. No missing the shot. You just move, and the camera handles every angle automatically. With recent leaps in compact flight technology, the dream of an all-in-one pocket-sized 360 drone is closer than ever. Many content creators currently attach external panoramic cameras to small tracking drones just to get this effect. They let the drone follow them while the extra camera records a full sphere of action. But mounting extra gear adds weight, cuts down flight time, and makes the setup clunky. Bringing a dedicated 360 model into the budget lineup would change everything for solo creators, travelers, and action lovers. If a full panoramic budget drone becomes reality, the camera hardware will be the main highlight. We could see a dual-lens camera setup capable of shooting 8K high-frame-rate video with enhanced dynamic range. High-resolution sensors with large pixel sizes would allow more light into the lens. That means clear night shots, vibrant sunset colors, and crisp indoor footage without heavy visual noise. Flexibility would also be key. A simple switch in the settings could allow pilots to turn off one lens and use it like a traditional single-lens camera for normal 4K recording. Paired with flat color profiles and high bitrates, creators would get total freedom in post-production framing and color grading. Flight performance and stability would get a massive boost as well. Next-generation transmission tech could offer rock-solid signals across long distances, ensuring your live preview never freezes. Full directional obstacle sensors would scan the environment continuously, making indoor flying and tight forest paths completely stress-free. With integrated propeller protection, even absolute beginners could launch it straight from their hands without fear. Looking at the current generation of ultralight micro drones, the progress is already impressive. Current models weigh as little as 151 grams, making them small enough to slip inside a coat pocket. They shoot sharp slow-motion video, offer solid automated follow modes, and protect themselves with active vision and infrared sensors. However, existing budget models still face real-world limits. Battery life often drops significantly during high-speed tracking. Two-axis stabilization can struggle during sharp turns, and smaller camera sensors limit low-light quality. This is why upcoming upgrades are so highly anticipated. Recent field sightings and industry rumors suggest that future iterations are focusing on larger sensors, redesigned aerodynamic frames, and upgraded motor propulsion. Upgrading from a basic sensor to a larger, professional-grade sensor would transform nighttime performance. Adding a true three-axis physical gimbal would eliminate tiny camera jitters, giving you butter-smooth footage straight out of the box. Improved battery efficiency could finally stretch real-world flight times closer to 20 full minutes. In my honest opinion, a ultra-portable drone featuring full 360-degree recording, a bigger sensor, and enhanced obstacle safety would completely reshape creator gear. It removes every technical barrier for solo filmmakers and gives budget users access to flagship cinematic shots. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like.